everyone, my name is Nofundo Masibuko. I'm going to do a reflection video for CIC 2601 assignment 2, where I'm going to talk about the lesson plan of the topic that I've chosen for social sciences, which says ways of farming. This lesson is going to take 1 hour. It is for grade 4 learners. By the end of the lesson, the learners must be able to define this type of farming. For example, which is subsistence farming is for farming that is for family, and commercial farming, which is farming that is made to sell and make profits. The learners must be able to identify the purpose for both types of farming. The learners must be able to give example of crops and animals for each type of farming. The resources that I'm going to need during this lesson, I'm going to need small pictures for each type of farming. For example, for subsistence farming, I'm going to need a small picture that shows family vegetable gardening, and for the commercial farming, I'm going to need the large picture which shows large scale farming. I'm going to need whiteboard and a marker. I'm going to need a worksheet for activity. I will start outlining the lesson by asking the learners about the food they eat every day, where it comes from. That is where we're going to know if the food they eat is for commercial or subsistence farming. I'm going to write their answers on the board. I'm going to introduce them to farming and explain each type of farming and give each example for each type. I'm going to give them a class activity. On the class activity, I'm going to draw a table. I'm going to draw a table where on each row I'm going to write subsistence, and on the other row I'm going to write commercial farming. Then I will give learners different types of characteristics for each type of farming. Then their job is to sort them out, put them on the correct row. When I wrap up, I'm going to review the definition, review example for each type of farming, review the characteristics for each type of farming. Then they will be ready to write an assessment.